Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prudy. If you're new here, hi. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be notified. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you various styles in which you can style your hairband wig. This hairband wig was made by me and I have a video of how I made this wig on my channel, so please do make sure to check that out. The link of how I made this hairband wig will be linked in the description box below. So without further ado, I will leave you to enjoy the rest of this video and see you again on to my next video. Bye.